In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group email in Outlook. This is a really useful feature for anyone looking to communicate efficiently with a set group of people, whether it be for work, a club, or any type of team. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open Outlook. This can be done by simply clicking on the Outlook icon on your desktop or accessing it through your preferred browser. Once you're in, you'll notice a navigation pane on the left-hand side. From there, go ahead and click on the option labeled People. This is where all your contacts are managed and edited. Once you're in the People section, you're going to want to create a new contact list. Look for a button or an option that says New Contact List. Click on that. Creating a contact list is similar to creating a folder, which will help you organize email addresses under a collective name or label. Now, it's time to enter a name for your new contact list. This could be something specific or general, depending on the purpose of the group. For example, if you're setting up a list for your work colleagues, you might want to call it Team Members. It's important to use a name that you and others will easily recognize. After naming your contact list, the next step is to add the email addresses of the people you wish to include in this group. Simply type each email address into the designated fields. Continue to add as many email addresses as needed. This is where you'll be glad you already know the names and emails of your group members, so you can do this quickly and efficiently. With your list populated, the final step in setting it up is to click Create, or Save. This action will officially establish your group email list in Outlook, making it ready for use whenever you need it. Now that your group email is set up in Outlook, let's move on to sending an email to your group. Start by clicking on New Mail. This will open a draft email window ready for composing your message. In the To field, begin typing the name of your contact list. As you type, Outlook will provide suggestions, and you should see your newly created contact list appear. When it does, click on it to select your group. With your group selected, you're free to move on to writing your message. Compose your email as you usually would. Include all the details, attachments, and anything else your group might need. Once you're satisfied with your message, all that's left to do is hit the Send button. And there you have it. A simple, step-by-step way to set up a group email in Outlook and send emails to all members with ease. I hope this was clear and helpful, and I look forward to seeing you put this into practice. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.